at any questions that I've gotten here. All right, Jai. Let's see. Hello, Frazier. Pardon for so many questions. A lot to absorb. A little confused. One, I watched both preference setting videos, but I still didn't figure out how to make my family name show only. Can you change that for me or tell me how to, please? Um, let's just go through all of these and then I'll address each one. Under the student directory, what does blue versus white box mean? That's a good question. I'll need to look at that. Is locker message the same as the messages that show up on the top of my homepage is unread? The answer to that is yes. Um, I don't understand the purpose of the locker as opposed to my homepage. Any videos for that? Thanks. Love it that I can ask questions here. It helps a lot. It's cute to see your head bobbing. Thank you very much. All right, so let's take a look at the locker, and then we'll go take a look at preferences. So the locker really is just a fun thing, okay? And the theory here is that it has some resources, and part of this is this may replace the student's homepage once it's a little bit more developed. But what you can do here is you can um, you can access things, but one of the questions that I've gotten about the locker is how do you add things to the locker? So I'm just going to focus on that right now is how do you add things to the locker, because I definitely want to get in here and modify this a little bit just to make sure that all these things that we've developed over the past 6 months to year and a half are consistent and integrated. So just let me just show you how to add a photo. Click add photo, and then what you can do is put a name and a link in here. Now, if you're having a problem with that, let me just grab this Wikipedia. I'm doing this for our diplomacy simulation. Okay. I'll add a picture of President McKinley to my um, wall. So the students have learned how to find the source for images in the HTML class, and so this should be old hat. I'll just take this, copy it, and then I go back into my locker and I paste the image link. Click add, and it's been a while since I've been in the locker, so I don't really remember. Okay, yeah, so let's see, where does McKinley show up? McKinley's up here, and then what I can do is I can move him by clicking on him and then just clicking somewhere else on the page, and it will go there. So this is like decorating your locker. So this is really just a fun thing, but I would like to go in here and add some additional things so that this is more valuable for the students. But be honest with you, it's a little bit on the back burner behind getting the courses ready because we have a lot of courses going on. Like I can see here that this right now links to old home pages, but I'm going to shift it so that it's going back to our home pages for the courses. Hopefully by tomorrow the home pages will be fixed so that you'll be able to go in there and have a really nice picture of the students' courses moving forward.